In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight the active navigation link in Webflow using the current state. This is a simple, reliable way to show visitors which page they're on by styling the active link in your navigation. The key is that you must be on the actual page that a link points to before you can style its active appearance. So start by navigating to the target page in the Webflow designer. For example, if you want the About link to change color when someone is on the About page, open the About page in the designer first. This matters because Webflow only enables the special state we need when the link's destination matches the page you're viewing. Once you're on the correct page, click the specific navigation link in the canvas. You can select it directly in the navbar or use the navigator panel if your layout is complex. After selecting the link, look at the selector field at the top of the style panel on the right. When the link is selected on its destination page, you'll see a green current label appear next to the class name. If you don't see current, double check that the link's URL actually points to this page and that you're in the designer, not the editor. With current active, you're now styling only the look of this link when it is on its destination page. In the typography section of the style panel, choose your desired text color using the color picker. You can also add an underline, adjust font weight, or even add a subtle background color to make the active state stand out. Keep the contrast high enough for accessibility and make sure the active style is distinct but consistent with your brand. Here's the best part. This styling is contextual. It only appears when that link's destination matches the page the user is on. If all your navigation links share the same class, any link with that class will automatically adopt this current styling when it's active on its own page. That means once you set it up for one link, you don't need to repeat the process everywhere. Just ensure your nav links consistently use the same class and point to the correct internal pages. That's it. By visiting the target page, selecting the link, styling it in the current state, and keeping your classes consistent, you create a clear, automatic highlight for the active page in your Webflow navigation.